Today we are going to study about Bird Talk poem from Unit 2 Class 3 English NCERT book. In this poem we are going to study about the way birds talk to each other and what they are talking, how they feel about human being. Do you think birds find people funny? Have you thought about it? What the birds are talking? You must be familiar about the sounds that birds make. Yes, chirping, chee 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 chee. These are the different sounds they make. You must be knowing different sounds of different birds. Some of you can imitate those sounds also. Let's listen to what Robin and Jay have to say. Here in this poem there are two birds whose names are Robin and Jay. They are talking to each other. Let us see what they are talking. Think, said the Robin, think, said the Jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Robin said, think. Jay also said, think. Sitting in the Robin and Jay are the two birds who are sitting in the garden and they are talking. They said, think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. And one of them is saying that think about the people. These people, how they grow, what kind of growth they are having, that is totally different from us. And even they don't have feathers at all. बेटा रॉबिन और जे दोनों अलग अलग बर्ड्स हैं और वो आपस में बातें कर रहे हैं कि ये लोग देखो कैसे दिखते हैं, कैसे फनी लगते हैं और वो ग्रो कैसे करते हैं, अजीब तरह से ग्रो करते हैं. हमारी तरफ फेदर्स नहीं है उनके. दे डोंट हैव एनी फेदर्स एट ऑल. क्योंकि ह्यूमन बीइंग और बर्ड्स टोटली डिफरेंट हैं. इसी तरह से जैसे हम बर्ड्स के लिए सोचते हैं कि वो कैसे बोल रहे हैं, कैसी लैंग्वेज है उनकी, कैसे एक दूसरे को समझते हैं, क्या अजीब अजीब हरकतें करते हैं, उसी तरह से हो सकता है बर्ड्स भी हमारे बारे में ऐसी ही बातें करते हों. Isn't it? They don't eat. Then the next bird says, they don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. He said, they don't eat beetles. I don't know what they are going to eat, but they are not eating beetles, and they don't even grow wings, and they don't even sit on wires and other things. दूसरा बर्ड क्या कह रहा है कि ये बीटल्स भी नहीं खाते हैं, इनके विंग्स भी नहीं उगते हैं और ये हमारी तरह वायर्स के ऊपर या ब्रांचेस के ऊपर भी नहीं बैठते हैं. कैसे अजीब हैं. एंड देन थिंक सेड द रॉबिन, थिंक सेड द जे, आरंट पीपल फनी टू बी दैट वे. थिंक, रॉबिन अगेन सेड थिंक एंड जे ऑल्सो सेड थिंक. Aren't people funny? These people are very funny in their way. जिस तरह से ये हरकतें करते हैं, जिस तरह से ये ग्रो करते हैं, जिस तरह से ये खाते हैं, अजीब हैं ये, बड़े ही फनी दिखते हैं. So the poet of this poem is Eileen Fisher. याद रखेंगे बेटा, पोएट कौन है इसका? एलीन फिशर. And the poem, name of the poem is Bird Talk. Name of the poet is Eileen Fisher. Let us see the new words which comes in this poem. They are beetles. Beetles are the small insects that you find in soil. Sitting. Sitting is to sit on. Wires. You must have seen wires. They are the long wire, तार आपने ज़रूर देखे होंगे. funny. Funny is something which gives fun, which is अजीब. अजीब नहीं, जो funny का मतलब बड़ा मजाकिया, बहुत अच्छा दिखता है, जिसको देखकर हंसी आए, which gives you laugh. So this was the poem. Let us see the question answers also. First question, name the two birds in the poem. There are two birds, isn't it? Yes. The name of the two birds in the poem are Robin and Jay. What are the three things that people can't do? Just think. Yes. The three things that people can't do is, number 1, they don't eat beetles. Number 2, they don't grow wings. And number 3, they don't sit on wires and things. These are the three things that people can't do. You can find them in second paragraph of the poem. What do birds think of people? Yes, the birds think that people are funny. These are the three questions that you have to write in the notebook.